All right, got a new tool came into the shop here, and this was provided by Banggood or Banggood.com. So, well, we got an electric screwdriver here from DEVON. So this is a 46-piece set. It's a 4-volt cordless multifunctional screwdriver kit. So you do get some bits here. You get anything from hex to Torx. There's some security bits in here. You get the shorts and you get the longer bits. And the cool thing about this thing is you can charge it with your laptop, I guess, or with a cell phone charger. I mean, this charger here, it's a micro USB, and it actually fits on my Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime phone here. So, I mean, this is just one of those Walmart cheapy phones, but yeah, that's the type of charging cord that it actually has. The cool thing about this screwdriver is that it has a built-in live circuit tester. Got a wire stripper and a wire bender built into it. So it's pretty much a hole through the shaft there, so you can bend your wire to install it into like an outlet. You know, it beats doing it by hand. So yeah. Also, the switch is pretty cool, and it's a simple turnstile type of switch there. So you got your forward and your reverse, and yeah, I mean, it's a pretty cool little thing. It does have a charging indicator. There's the charging port on the bottom. It does not have a removable battery, so it's all enclosed. It does have the dual LED lights, which stay on for about 20 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do a demonstration for you guys. We'll do some wire stripping here. We'll try running a screw into a unpiloted hole and a piloted hole. So yeah, let's get to that. All right, so I got some wire here, and let's go ahead and try out that wire stripping function there. So I'll just go ahead and get this wire into the right hole here. Let's see if I can find it. All right, so let's see if we could get this thing stripped. Oops. So it works. That's pretty cool. Nice. So let's go ahead and try the built-in wire bender. And it's pretty much a hole that's drilled into the shaft there. And, well, we got our bent wire there. It's pretty much almost ready to put into an outlet. So that's pretty cool. Built-in wire stripper and wire bender. That's really nice. All right, so now we can test the live wire sensor or live circuit sensor on this thing. So I got this extremely dangerous extension cord here that needs to have the outlet replaced. So there is power going to this, and this is just pretty much for the demonstration. So I'll go ahead and press down on the button here for the sensor, and we'll just go ahead and run this near this, and yep, it detects it. So around the outlet itself, it's probably about an inch away before it starts detecting it. Yeah, so it could be from the surrounding housing, and it should work better on the wire here and on the well, uninsulated wire there. So let's go ahead and try this again. Yeah, so it detects it from about 3 inches away, and 2 inches on the thicker part here with the thicker coating. So really cool function. I like that. Alright, so the only thing left to do now is, well, let's try to screw some wood. It's a screwdriver, right? So it's time to screw. So I got a piloted hole here, and well, I'm just going to take this screw here and just get it started pretty much here, and there we go. Now let's go ahead and see what this thing does. So, I mean, it runs a screw into a piloted hole just well. So, I mean, it does fine that way. I mean, there isn't no built-in clutch in this anyways. So, I mean, it's just a standard household type of multifunction screwdriver. So, get this into this piece of wood here, and I'll just go ahead and make a small little pilot hole here to get started. And well, let's see what happens. Well, it got it in about 3/4 of the way, and I still have the switch activated. So this does have an automatic protection built into it, which is pretty cool. Well, it's pretty much in there. And I mean, it does also function like a normal screwdriver, so you can drive it in the rest of the way. Alright, so that was the demonstration for the DEVON 46-piece multifunction screwdriver kit. Now, when it comes to this, I'll just go ahead and, well, when it comes to most things, I usually let the viewer form their own opinion on it. But hey, my opinion, I like it. I do want to go ahead and thank everyone out there that viewed this video. I want to go ahead also and thank all my viewers, subscribers, the new people coming into this channel. I mean, thanks a lot, guys, for the views, and I appreciate the comments. Also, I'll have some more products coming in from Banggood. Also, I want to go ahead and thank them for sending this out, or so I could demonstrate this for you guys. So if you take a look at the description, you should find everything that you need on there. Links, specs on this thing. And, well, I think I'll leave it at that. With that being said, thanks again for watching, and, well, I will see you guys on the next one.